Welcome to Arenal Water Sports on the beautiful Lake Arenal. We are local experts in water activities and invite you to live the Pura Vida with us. Enjoy the adrenaline with our jet skis in a safe and controlled environment. Your safety is our priority for an unforgettable experience. Steps to operate a jet ski. Number 1. Life jacket. Put on a properly adjusted and well-maintained life jacket. Number 2. Key. Secure the key to the life jacket. Number 3. Dock. Walk to the dock indicated by our guide. Number 4. Inspection. Before boarding the jet ski, it's important to do a visual inspection with the guide. Number 5. Board the jet ski. Board the jet ski when instructed by the guide. You must be barefoot. Number 6. Place the key. Place the key in the safety button. We have two buttons on the left side of the handlebars. The green button starts the engine, and the red button stops it. On the right side of the handle is the throttle lever. Number 7. Signals. We use 3 signals. 1. Reduce speed. 2. Turn on the jet ski. 3. Turn off the jet ski. Upon leaving the pier, our guide will position the jet ski in the starting position and will tell you when to press the green button. Number 8. Return. Once the rental time is over, our guide will assist you from the dock. Approach slowly without creating waves and follow the guide's instructions. He will tell you when to turn off the jet ski. Recommendations for this activity. We recommend wearing sunglasses and comfortable clothing. Keep in mind that the western area far from the volcano has more waves and wind. It's better to stay close to the volcano. Rules for use during rental. Before starting the excitement of jet skis, we want to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable experience. Below are some important rules you must follow. These rules are designed to protect you, others, and the beautiful environment of Lake Arenal. Listen carefully and get ready to enjoy to the fullest. Rule 1. Do not capsize the jet ski. If you feel the jet ski is about to capsize, let go and fall into the water. Once in the water, swim to the jet ski and reboard from the rear. If capsized, return the jet ski to its correct position and contact us for assistance. Do not start the jet ski if it capsizes, as the engine will be permanently damaged. Rule 2. Avoid collisions. Keep a safe distance of at least 50 meters from any object or shore. Rule 3. Do not ride a jet ski behind another. The safest way to ride more than one jet ski is side by side with at least 25 meters distance. Rule 4. To avoid damage to the propulsion system, stay at least 50 meters from all shores. It is not allowed to disembark on any shore except the dock. Rule 5. Always keep the key secured to the life jacket. In case of changing drivers, secure the key in the same place on the life jacket. This key ensures the jet ski will turn off if you fall into the water. Breaking any of these rules will result in rental cancellation without a refund. Now that you know all the rules, recommendations, and how to operate a jet ski properly, you are ready to fully enjoy this incredible experience on Lake Arenal. At Arenal Water Sports, your safety and fun are our priorities. Enjoy the adrenaline and live the Pura Vida with us.